I am back with another thought of the day. Here we go. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to present a thought of the day. Today's thought is, no one is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. I repeat my thought. No one is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. This thought means we are all not perfect. We should not be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. It is important to recognize that and work on improving them. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more educational and fun videos. Bye. Have a good day.